Marigold, Book 5, Class 5, Unit 1, Bamboo Curry.
Welcome to Hindi Kala Kendra. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscribe button to get more of your desired content. Turn on the notifications by clicking on that bell near the subscribe button so that you get notified the earliest and fastest whenever we upload new content. If you love our content, then please share our channel with your friends and family members. Now, without wasting more time, let's get learning.
Hello kids. Today, before knowing what a bamboo curry is, let's get to know a bit more about bamboos first. Bamboo is not a type of a tree, but it is a type of wild grass. It is the fastest growing plant in the world. Bamboos release 35% more oxygen than an equal amount of trees, and hence they are the best way to fight the global warming. Did you know that a panda's diet is 99% made of just bamboos? Pandas can eat about 12 kilograms of bamboo in a day. Bamboos are mostly grown in tropical regions where the climate is sustainable for them to grow. Now, let's read ahead. Bamboo curry. Have you ever eaten a dish made of bamboo? Maybe some of you have and some of you have not. But if you have eaten a dish made of bamboo, do tell me your experience in the comment box. Now, let's read this picture story and find out which part of bamboo can be cooked and eaten. One day, the mother-in-law of a Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. Now, what does Santhal mean? Santhal is a tribe in eastern India, and the bridegroom means a man who just got married or is about to be married, that is a dulha. So one day what happened? A Santhal bridegroom or a dulha from the Santhal tribe visited his mother-in-law. A mother-in-law is the person who is the mother of the dulha's wife, okay? So he visited his mother-in-law and she had cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. So when he went to her, she had cooked him a special dish. Now what is this special dish? This curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. What is bamboo? A giant woody grass which is grown chiefly in the tropics, as we learnt a moment ago. So the man said, "This curry is delicious. What is it?" He loved the taste of the curry that the mother-in-law had cooked for him, and he said that it's very tasty and delicious means pleasant to eat. So he asked, "What is it?" So the mother-in-law, the old lady, she pointed at the bamboo door of the hut. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So now, when the man was about to leave for his village the next day in the morning, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. Now what happened that he loved the curry and he wanted to eat it again. But then he remembered that there was no bamboo to make the curry in his village. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. Now since he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village, what did he do? He uprooted or took out the door from the hut's entrance and he carried it with him, means he took it with him and came home to his village. On reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door." Now, once he came back to his village, he came back to his own home to his wife, what did he tell her? He told her to make curry with the bamboo door that he brought from her mother's house. She was shocked. Why was she shocked? Shocked means cause someone to feel surprised and upset. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door? She was shocked. She was not happy or she was surprised to know that her husband got a bamboo door for her to make curry from. So she told him that how is she supposed to make curry out of a bamboo door, because bamboo is hard. So it's hard to cook it. "Come, I'll help you by chopping up the bamboo," he said. Chopping means cut an object into pieces. So the man told his wife that to make the curry, "I'll help you chop the bamboo." That is, cut it into pieces so that you can easily cook it and make curry. His wife boiled it and boiled it. What does boiled mean? Boiled means heating something in water at a high temperature. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, "It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook." So, after the man had cut the bamboo pieces for her to cook, she put them in the water and she started boiling it. She started heating the bamboo pieces in the water at a high temperature, okay? And when her husband later on tasted it, he said that it's too hard to eat because the bamboo wasn't cooked properly. So he told her that she does not know how to cook. His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. "It's still too hard. I can't eat it." So what did his wife do when he said that he can't eat it? She again started boiling it more by adding more water into the pot. But what did the man reply? "It's still too hard. I can't eat it." The bamboo was still hard and he still could not eat it even after boiling it so much. The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. Foolishness means lack of good sense or an act of stupidity. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?" What does a bamboo shoot mean? A bamboo shoot is a young branch from the main stalk of a tree or other plant. This is how a bamboo shoot looks like. Bamboo shoot is basically a small part or a small plant. So later in the evening, the in-laws came to visit the young couple. That means that the woman's parents, that is man's in-laws, came to visit them in the evening. And when they got to know about how he had taken the bamboo door and told his wife to cook the bamboo curry from it, they laughed at his stupid act. Means it was not a sensible act, something that should have been done. It was a foolish act. So the mother-in-law then told him that, "Did you not know that the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not the bamboo door?" She told him that, "Did you not know that I made the curry from a bamboo shoot, that is a small bamboo plant, and not from the huge bamboo door?" This is a Santhal folk tale. Now let's do the question and answers of the bamboo curry. Complete the sentences meaningfully. The bridegroom left with the door of his in-laws' house because it was made of dash and there was no bamboo in his dash. So what will we put in these dashes here? The first one will be bamboo, because the bridegroom left the door of his in-laws' house because it was made of bamboo and there was no bamboo in his village. The bridegroom was unable to have bamboo curry in the end because it was too hard to eat. Word hunt. Fill in the blanks with words from the story. The bridegroom went to visit his mother-in-law. The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. He stayed the night with his in-laws. He carried the bamboo door back with him. The curry was made from bamboo shoots. Say aloud. Say these words aloud after with me. Impatient, delicious, boiled, chopped, bamboo. So, what did we learn today? We learned that bamboos are grown in tropical regions. Bamboo curry is made out of bamboo shoots. Then we learned the meaning of some new words during the chapter. After that we did some activities, and finally we learned how to pronounce few words.
Finally, click that like button and turn that black thumb blue if you enjoyed the lesson today. Don't forget to comment down below your suggestions and opinions. We would gladly accept them and reply as soon as possible. And if you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed already, then what are you waiting for? Quickly click on that red subscribe button to get more amazing content. Don't forget to check out your class's Hindi chapters. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for learning this lesson with me. Hope you enjoyed.